I'm searching for the lion, the wild lion. He stole our Pop-Tarts this morning. Here we go, as we sneak up on him. Look at him in his natural habitat. Look at that.
Oh my God, it's an Eric!
Ah! It's not a lion, it's an Eric! Ah! Ah! Oh, shit.
He's running! He's running! As we have our main cameraman chasing him. We cannot catch him! He's a wild man! Bro, cut! Shortcut! Shortcut! Got the Eric! We've captured him! We've captured him!
Here he is, eating his Pop-Tarts. We have captured the wild Eric, eating the Pop-Tarts. No, have you noticed? You notice his little crumbs on his lips. And all right, let him eat his blueberry Pop-Tarts.
We must let him free. He must mate. Go mate. Go mate, young one.
No!
Right. Mate with the win. Mate with the win.
What?
Cut!
All right.